रश्मिमन्तं समुद्यन्तं देवासुरनमस्कृतं पूजयस्व विवस्वन्तं भास्करं भुवनेश्वरम् रश्मिमन्तं समुद्यन्तं devasura namaskritam is a compound word. Now samudyantam ends with an anuswara, a dot on top of the ta, which has the sound of m, and devasura namaskritam starts with the, which is a part of the ta varga. So this anuswara changes to n, which is the nasal or the anunasika of the ta varga. So it becomes samudyantam devasura namaskritam पूजयस्व विवस्वन्तं भास्करम is a compound word. Bha is mahapranah. Bhuvana Ishwaram, Bhuvaneshwaram is a compound word. Rashmimantam samudyantam devasuranamaskritam पूजयस्व विवस्वन्तं भास्करं भुवनेश्वरम् सर्वदेवात्मको ह्येष तेजस्वी रश्मिभावनः एष देवासुरगणान् लोकान् पाति गभस्तिभिः सर्वदेवात्मकः is a compound word. It becomes sarvadevatmako because of sandhi. Hi eshah hyeshah because of sandhi. The visarga is then dropped because of sandhi. Tejasvi, so it becomes hyesha Tejasvi. Rashmi Bhavanaha is a compound word. Bhas Mahapranaha. Eshaha, again the visarga is dropped. Deva Asura Ganan. Deva Asura Ganan is a compound word. Lokan. Now the Deva Asura Ganan ends in N and Lokan starts with L. So due to Sandhi, the N at the end of the first word changes to L with a nasal sound. So it becomes Devasuraganal Lokan because of Sandhi. Pati Gabhastibhihi. Both bhas are Mahapranaha. Sarvadevatmako hyesha tejasvi rashmi bhavanaha esha devasuraganal lokan pati gabhastibhihi esha brahma cha vishnushcha shivaskandah prajapatihi mahendro dhanadah kalo yamas somo Hyapampatihi. Eshaha, the visarga is dropped because of sandhi. Brahma cha Vishnuhu, visarga changes to shu there. Cha Vishnushcha because of sandhi. Shivaha, visarga changes to su there. Skandaha, Shivaskandaha because of sandhi. Skandaha, visarga changes to upadhamaniya. Prajapatihi is a compound word. Skandaf Prajapatihi because of Sandhi. Mahindraha. Mahendraha is a compound word. It becomes Mahendro because of Sandhi. Dhanadaha is a compound word. The first dha, dhanadha is Mahapranaha. Visarga changes to Jihva Muliya. Kalaha becomes Kalo because of Sandhi. So Dhanadah Kalo because of Sandhi. Yamaha, visarga changes to Su there. Somaha. Yamas Somaha because of Sandhi. Somaha becomes Somo because of Sandhi. Hi Apam Hyapam Patihi. Esha Brahma cha Vishnushcha Shivaskandah Prajapatihi Mahendro Dhanadah Kalo Yamas Somo Hyapam Patihi Pitaro Vasavasadhya Hyashvinau Maruto Manuhu Vayurvanhif Prajaprana Ritukarta Prabhakaraha. Pitaraha becomes Pitaro because of Sandhi. Vasavaha, visarga changes to Su there. Sadhyaha, Dha is Mahapranaha. Vasavasadhyaha because of Sandhi. Sadhyaha, the visarga is dropped because of Sandhi. hi ashvinau, hyashvinau because of sandhi. Sadhya hyashvinau. Marutaha becomes maruto because of sandhi. Manuhu. Vayuhu, visarga changes to repha. Vanhihi. Vayur vanhihi because of sandhi. Visarga changes to upadhmaniya. Prajapranaha is a compound word. Vanhif prajapranaha because of sandhi. Prajapranaha, the visarga gets dropped because of sandhi. Ritukarta is a compound word. Prajaprana Ritukarta because of sandhi. Prabhakaraha, bhas mahapranaha, this is a compound word. Pitaro vasavasadhya hyashvinau maruto manuhu. Vayurvanhif prajaprana Ritukarta prabhakaraha. Adityas savita suryah khagah pusha gabhastiman suvarna sadrusho bhanur hiranyareta divakaraha. Adityaha, visarga changes to Sudha. Savita, Adityas savita because of sandhi. Suryaha, visarga changes to Jihwa Muliya. Khagaha, khas mahapranaha. Suryah khagaha because of sandhi. Khagaha, visarga changes to Padmaniya. Pusha, Khagaf Pusha because of sandhi. Gabhastiman, bhas mahapranaha. Suvarna sadrishaha is a compound word. It becomes Suvarna sadrisho because of sandhi. Bhanuhu, bhas mahapranaha. Visarga changes to repha or r. Hiranyaretaha is a compound word. Bhanur hiranyaretaha because of sandhi. Hiranyaretaha, the visarga is dropped because of sandhi. Divakaraha is a compound word. Adityas savita suryah khagah pusha gabhastiman suvarna sadrusho bhanur hiranyareta divakaraha.